You're watching Czar Films Variety Channel. Okay, here we have a TechPoint pinpointer that came with our T2 Teknetics. This is a Teknetics TechPoint. These go for about 120. These came out recently. It is waterproof, so we're going to show you how to put the batteries in and get it started. So, go ahead and you get your instruction manual. Teknetics. Now you will need a flathead screwdriver to get the end piece off, and it takes double A's, so it's going to be positive down, and it takes two. And you go ahead and you notice that there's a rubber seal on there, so this is waterproof. And you go ahead, this is a competitor to the Carrot, as you know. And so once you get your batteries in, you can check to see if it's on by, you get your little light there. There's a little light on there, so now we know it's working. So there we go. So that's your how to install the batteries on your Teknetics TechPoint pinpointer. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Thank you so much.